We got another dermabrasion machine. This one is also from UNOISETION. I know I'm saying that wrong. I do apologize. This one is really cool. This one is a portable microdermabrasion machine, and I'm really excited to unbox this and try this out with you. I have not really looked at it yet, so let's unbox it. Alright, this is what it looks like open. So everything in this looks really explanatory. You've got your pamphlet here as always. And you can see on here what ones are intended to use where. Yeah, the small ones are generally used for your face, the bigger ones, other areas of your body. If you've never used one of these before, they help reduce your wrinkles, they help reduce age spots, get rid of dead skin, all that loveliness that you want to keep your skin looking beautiful and young. Okay, so you can see how everything's nicely put in here. You've got your charging cord, your filters for your attachments here, and of course the part to suck the stuff out of your nose. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And I don't think there's a charge in here. Let's see. Nope. So I'm going to charge this and then I will come back. I am back and this is fully charged. We are going to go ahead and get started. So on this right here, there are more right here. For the purpose of this video, we're only going to try 2 of these today, and that's going to be this one for the main part of the face and this one right here. On this it does suggest this, and then we also have these over here. These are obviously to suck out the blackheads. I don't really have any blackheads. We will try it after and see what happens, but yes, let's go ahead and start with these little guys. So if you've never done this before, do not exfoliate your face before or after using a microdermabrasion machine. Don't do anything abrasive to your face because it could irritate, could agitate, and we don't want any of that. So get your little filters right here. You stick them in the little thing right there, just like that. So when it works, it'll suck up all the dead skin and grime into the filter. So you can kind of see it right there. So we're going to go ahead and put this right on the machine. And typically you do about 15-20 minutes, the whole face. Ideally you want to go from this direction out, from here up, and then down. So it's basically just like that. There are other techniques in the way you can use the dermabrasion machine for other results, but if you are a beginner or new to it, just stick from in out. Okay, to operate this machine is very easy. You just turn it on like that, and up here is the power. If it pulls too much, you go back down to low, and so forth. If you need more, go up to 3. So if you're using a big device, it has more suction, more power. This is obviously portable, so it's limited. However, it's portable, so there's that. When this needs charged, it will be red. When it is fully charged, this turns green. So right now it's just white. So let's go ahead and give this a go. Okay, so that does pull in my skin a little bit. I do have sensitive skin. It gets red real easy. That's not the machine, that's very much so me. It did pull at the lowest speed a little bit more than I probably would have liked, but it did its thing. It's fine. We're gonna move on to the nose with the smaller one here. Same thing, put the filter in, and of course change out your filters regularly and disinfect these when you are done. Clean them, disinfect them, keep it clean. Okay, so these are the things that are supposed to suck out the blackheads. Again, I don't really have any blackheads. I don't really have a lot of stuff going on in my pores. I am very thorough about my cleaning. But we're going to put it on and just see how it works anyway. Okay, so that is what it looks like on. Okay, so I'm actually impressed because I wasn't expecting anything to happen, and something did happen. Let's see if you can see it right here. Well, not blackheads, but all of that came out of my pores. That is disgusting. So that worked way better than I thought it would, and I'm kind of impressed. So at this point, you try to hydrate the skin. You can either spray with water or use a toner. I choose a toner. Don't use any creams or anything like that right after doing this. It's going to clog up your pores and you don't really want to do that. So you just want to do something light and use your toner. And then for your final step, you do a sheet mask. If the sheet mask helps calm your skin, make it better. I'm not particular to a type of brand for this. You just need something to calm your skin and help with the stuff into your skin that you need. Like I said, have some sensitive skin. I get red real easy. As you can see, this probably won't go away until for a few hours. So anyways, we're gonna go and do the sheet mask. So the sheet mask is off, and you can see it helped calm my skin a little bit, which is what we wanted. But my final thoughts of this machine is I love it. Now again, the intensities don't vary as much as a device that's meant to stay in one place, but this portable one is excellent for traveling, or if you just want to go over to someone's house and do it or whatever, because you know, sometimes you have your girl get-togethers or whatever. But no, I absolutely love this portable one. I think it's great. I'm highly impressed with how well it was able to pull up the filament stuff out of my pores. So I think this is a great device, definitely worth picking up, definitely worth having for a trip. I just think this is a great all-around device. Whether or not you're traveling, it's really great, really easy to use whenever, wherever. So go check it out for yourself.